In this short clip, I'd like to run through the Series 5 right-left swing delivery and control head. This is the Series 5 delivery system that we sell. It is the Edge Series 5. It does have the ability to swing right and left around the chair. On the control head, you will see actually a touchpad on the right and left side that you can manually operate the chair positions, and then all your pre-programmed positions are here. And there's even a light button that you can operate and turn the light on and off from both sides of the touchpad. You do have dual air brakes, which will allow the air brake to release for the head to go up and down and to be able to pivot into your operating position. On the standard unit, you'll end up with an air-water syringe and then 3 air-driven handpieces. Inside here, though, is a quad block or a 4-port block. So it's really easy to add the 4th handpiece hose and hanger bracket to this particular unit without having additional cost to change the control block on the inside. Some general operating procedures with this is you will have 3 large water flow valves. Again, 1, 2, 3 as far as your handpiece hoses, 1, 2, 3 as far as water flow adjustments. So you can adjust your water flow out to your high-speed handpiece very easily because of the large knob, and they also are fine threaded to be able to give you a super fine mist. To turn the water on and off to each of the handpieces, you'll actually do that by the blue button being turned on and off. If you take the toggle towards the blue button, the water will cut. If you flip it the other direction, it will shut the water off, so you're using a dry handpiece. The other adjustment to your handpieces up to the bottom left is another flow valve, which you control the water spray that mixes, or the air spray that mixes with your water. So there you can get a balance between the airflow that's coming out and the water to get that fine mist. The best way to try to get a super fine mist without over flooding the tooth and still keeping it cool, to turn the airflow off, turn your water all the way down, almost off, and then back it up, and then turn your airflow up. And all at once you'll see those water molecules sort of go out to a fine mist. Another function with the unit that you can do is, if you do not have a handpiece pressure adjustment that you can put on the end of your hose, there is an air gauge on the right side of the unit. And on the bottom, you'll see 4 sticks that sort of come down with a screwdriver slot. You can actually adjust your handpiece pressure on the bottom without opening up the casing of the unit, and then set your air pressure to what the gauge is stating on the side. The one neat thing that we've done with the Series 5 unit is we've added that 3rd pivot point. The arm will rotate here, but if you're really trying to come in, down, and you can twist the control head in and actually get a very easy handpiece pickup without having to stretch. With each of your air-water syringes that we supply, you will get a tip. You can order packages of these tips, which is code number 3059, to be able to sterilize your tips. The other item that we will send too is a syringe repair kit. There's instructions and a little bag with all the O-rings and everything that you'll need to be able to rebuild the syringe buttons. So if you do get a drippy syringe, it's easy that one of the staff members can just go ahead and take care of it in the office without having a service call.